Easkep waxing kit. I'm unboxing my Easkep waxing kit. This is a wax warming hair remover. It comes with 5 packs of hard wax beans. $20 wooden sticks. You can use this wax kit for your legs, face, underarms, and bikini. It has the durable ABS heat material to make the wax heat up 2 times faster than normal wax kits. It also comes with a removable wax pot, so you can take it anywhere you go. With 6 adjustable temperatures, the max temperature is 240 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to give a little example of how I melt my wax beans. It says it melts in 6 minutes, but to me it seems like it melts faster. I like to stir mine as well so that it gets a little thick, and that's just how I like it, so it's not too hot. For a comfortable temperature for the wax, make sure you turn down the nozzle to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, or you can just turn it off so that it's not too hot. The smell of the beads are chamomile for coarse hair. The wax kit is suitable for all skin types for a full body wax. This wax kit is easy to use and easy to carry. The type of wax beads you can use for this kit is hard wax, kin wax, wax beans, and wax beads, Brazilian wax, and wax block. Now that the wax is set at a good temperature, I'm going to demonstrate on my hand. And it peels off so easy.